We are flying out of Santorini Airport back to Athens, and in this video, we're gonna give you a full airport tour. Let's begin.
And here we are. Most people will just come here and walk in this way, but not his and Isa, because we gotta go and show you guys a pretty cool thing. You can see it on the side of the screen. Looking at the airport tower. Now that is one unique
so
sight.
crazy.
Look at that. So that's how you come in. It's about 15 minutes away from Thira. That's where we hung out. That's where we ended our day. If you're
I missed it
interested,
already.
we did like a 7-hour walking tour. We posted a beautiful episode. There was even a point where I was gonna get kicked by a donkey, or get pooped on by a donkey. Make sure you come and check that episode out. But right now, this video, you clicked it because you want to go see the airport from inside, and that's what we're gonna show you. The sun is nice and strong, so we're gonna follow that icon, aircraft icon, departures, and show you guys our departure experience. If you're interested in the arrival experience, you can actually check out our flight on Ryanair when we landed and then walked over to the arrivals area. Let's first explore the ticketing area. Now we see plenty of counters. Right now, Aegean is flying out.
Yeah.
And right behind Alia is the exit door. Now that's where we entered. Like when we were exiting the airport, like if you use those doors, you're going to be exactly at the exit. You can actually see the people exiting right there. So this is the start. Counters. And guess what? That is the end. There's one restaurant here called the
French bakery.
French bakery, but we did ask information. There is somebody sitting at an information desk, and he said there are places to eat inside. So we may get a drink or something because we just experienced Santorini sun.
Yeah.
Well dressed for 50s weather.
Yes, we were packed, and trust me, we needed that in the morning. It was so freezing almost that even with all the layers, we felt cold. But later during the day, and when the sun came out, it started to get hot, and we were going up and down the stairs. So now it feels better to be back indoors and be inside the airport.
From an airline perspective, you have British Airways, Sky, Emirates, Ryanair, Transavia, Sky Express, Air Canada, Etihad, and Junaid Air. I think it's a code share for Aegean, and Aegean has the counters open. So, because I can't imagine a 777 or a 787 landing here. We are done with security and now just entered. Guess what? As soon as you enter, here's gate 7. Right at the entry, gate 1 through 6, there's an arrow sign that goes up. But is it up or this way? We'll find out. And then you have actually a quite beautiful duty-free shop, because all they have to do is put a couple of pictures of the beautiful Santorini and they're set. Look how beautiful this looks. Oh, it is tough leaving this beautiful island in Greece. What an experience. Look, Dubai chocolate. She has been looking at Dubai chocolate in Turkey, in New York, everywhere. We love duty free because it gives you the feeling that you are doing international travel.
Yeah.
And there's nothing better than travel international around the world. You can buy some local honey, some drinks, chupa chup, the usual stuff, and then check out the souvenirs. Look at that. Donkey. That looks so nice, but we were like literally 6 inches away from him, and it was a little freaky. After the duty-free shop, check that out. Pretty cool souvenirs here. We're gonna go to the gated area and show you guys all the restaurants and maybe knick-knack shop. What we're dying for is like a chilled drink, like Coca-Cola or seltzer water, but like frigid ice cold. So they're gonna chill here, but look at where they're chilling. I'm gonna go close because the camera needs to get focused here. Alia, you may wanna come with me. Check this out. Wait, don't. And here you go. Check that structure out. Now the glass is dusty. We know why, because just 3 days ago,
Oh
there was
yeah.
all the sand and dust storms that came here from Africa, according to the our first driver. So that's why the glass is a little dusty, but beautiful view of the ocean. We saw this view in
Oh
Genoa.
yeah,
Was
for sure.
we were waiting for our flight on Vueling
Yeah.
to Rome, and we saw this view. That's incredible. Now that look, Alia has her backpack down.
Whew,
I'm gonna
all the weight off.
I'm gonna walk around. I see an ATM there. There's also a restaurant here. Let's see what else is at this terminal. You can see plenty of seating area as we approach gate 4, because I don't see gate 5 yet. We saw gate 7. Gate 4 is here. And this is another duty free that continues.
Κυρίες και κύριοι, καλησπέρα σας. Εκ μέρους της Sky Express, μέλος της Αριάτα, θα θέλαμε να σας καλωσορίσουμε στη πτήση της Sky Express 355 με προορισμό την Αθήνα.
All right, so Alia pointed out that 5, 6 are downstairs, whereas 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B are right here, and gate 3 is what we are passing by right now. There's an ATM machine, restrooms, there is a charging station here, and this is the Holy Burger, Il Maestro, and Sovereign or Savory Greek.
So very Greek.
Oh, so very Greek. I thought it was savory. So very Greek. This is their food court, and right behind Alia are the gates 1A, 1B. Now we're gonna go check out the prices for drinks and sodas. Blow our budget here.
Oh gosh, that's €5.
That's
Straight.
€5. So we can get a chilled water bottle for the boys. That must be like €10. This
But
is
this
not the
looks
most.
good for €5. €5.
You want to get 100% natural orange juice?
I mean, if we were to spend €5 on this, sure.
Yeah, that actually makes sense. The others, because the flight is only half hour.
40 minutes.
And
yeah.
we do plan to go to a grocery store when we are back in Athens at our apartment. We are staying there for 5 or 6 days. It's an
Yes.
incredible trip. Make sure you subscribe and check us out. Now there's another store or another restaurant there, and oh, by the way, 1A, 1B has passport control booth. So there's passport control sign on those gates. So you have to go through passport control if you go there, I think. But right now there's no international flight, so I think you can just walk through. This is the second place where you can eat, and you can check out the prices. I saw $3.50, but that's for
Evian.
San Pellegrino.
What about this?
Olia's gonna ask how much is that water bottle as I just chill here. We woke up at 2 a.m., went to bed at midnight, woke up at 2 a.m. Isa actually never went to bed because he just couldn't sleep. And from time perspective, it's 5:16. So that is 15 hours with a 2-hour sleep, walking for 7 hours in Santorini, and of course giving you guys a tour. On some of our other videos, we did a tour of the Athens domestic terminal. We did a tour of Ryanair experience. We did a 7-hour tour of Santorini, and now we're showing you guys this airport. By the way, that's the end of the airport, but we'll go there so you can see that as well. Now, Alia said, how much should we pay for this water? And I said, you know what, if it's $3.50, let's get one because everybody's thirsty.
And
we don't wanna
everything
wait.
else, all the other drinks are so expensive.
$5.50.
Yeah.
Like $5.50. That's like
Euros.
$7 almost
Yeah.
for us.
So we were so reluctant to buy, but then we don't have any water. There's no water bottle refill station, and kids were thirsty, so we had to buy it. So I was like, how much should it be for us to be able to buy it?
And by the way, there's no sign here, and that's the clever part. By Alia, she's like, this brand is not listed there, so she went. Guess what? 60 cents. 60-cent water. We almost spent $5 or $6 over there. 60-cent water. Now you know. Come here to this cafe right by gate 2A, 2B in Santorini, and you can get 60-cent water. Right next to this place is 2A, 2B passport control. You can check out Fraport, and then if you come here, that's 1B, 1A, and that is it. Now let's go surprise the boys with chilled water bottles. By the way, another charging station here, which is very cool. And we actually love everything about this airport, so don't forget to give it a dark green smiley. Check this out. Keep clear, fire shutter. So if there's fire, there's gates that shut, so you gotta keep clear of that. Just thought that was interesting. Again, 5-6 here. Passport control again when you go down. And I'm just gonna follow all. Yeah, more elevators. Gate 4. The only gate I think that is at a very interesting place at gate 7. As soon as you enter through security, right next to the duty-free shop is gate 7. And here we are back at the windows, back where the boys are. Here's every water bottle was 350 or €5.
Up to six.
But this
€6.
one was not listed. So mom checked the price. You want to guess how much? I said to mom, if it's 350, let's get it. 60 cents. Exactly, 60 cents. He was shocked. Hope you guys enjoyed this very tiny tour of Santorini Airport. And on that shocking note, we're going to catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now. I mean, we were waiting for a car to arrive. All right, here we are, executive transportation, booking.com. That's how we booked it. Sit facing each other. Just told his, I didn't book executive.
He said he bought like one of those cheaper.
Yeah, cheaper versions.
or
Yeah.
whatever.
But we are in the executive one.